Do you rent a house or an apartment? You have certain rights as a renter that you may not know about. When you decide to rent a space, your landlord should ask you to sign a lease. A lease is a contract between you and your landlord. When you sign it, you'll be legally required to abide by the agreements listed inside of it. For this reason, it is important to read the lease, or ask someone you trust to read it for you if you cannot, to make sure you understand all the terms. Your lease should list your rights as a renter and expectations for the property owner. This will help protect you from potential problems in the future. Your lease will include how much you will be charged monthly for the cost of rent. Whenever you make a rent payment, ask your landlord for a receipt. If he or she tells you that they do not provide receipts, tell them that you will make one. Write your name, the date, and the amount paid on a piece of paper, and ask your landlord to sign it. This creates a record of your payment that will prevent the landlord from accusing you of not paying your bill. If you are ever unable to pay your rent and default on your lease, your landlord cannot evict you without a court order for the sheriff to remove you from the property. This process usually takes about 3 weeks. If your landlord attempts to force you to move out without a court order, call the police. When you first move into an apartment, take pictures of any damages, no matter how small they are. Save those pictures in case you need to use them as proof of the apartment's condition on the day you moved in. Make sure that you know how to contact your landlord by phone and email. You're not responsible for repairs unless you cause the damage. If you ever feel that your landlord is taking advantage of you, contact one of the free law clinics listed below this video. As a renter, you have certain rights, and the law exists to protect you from anyone who tries to infringe on those rights.